Playing with pattern paper is always fun. Hi friends, this is Sonia here, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to do another Christmas card, and I hope you guys are enjoying our series of DIY handmade cards on the theme of Christmas. Now in this beautiful pattern paper, I have literally cut the strips and I'm going to use it on my cardstock. This looks absolutely gorgeous and this card is one of my favorites. Are you liking this? Let me know in the comment section. So with my sketching paper pen, I'm going to make beautiful patterns out of it and fill it with the same pen. This is one of an easiest way to use a different material, and which is super easy, super handy. You can use any of your pens. Like here I'm using a black color. You can even use a red color sketching or mandala making pen, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Now as it's a Christmas theme card, I am going to use a lot of greens, reds and whites, but I just felt that adding a bit of black is going to give a little contrast to my card. Once I was done with making all the stripes, here I'm going to fill up all the lines, and just to add a little more drama, you can use stripes, patterns, dots, whatever you want to. So this is how I filled a few of the lines, and this looks gorgeous. I know the pattern paper looks amazing. Whatever the supplies I'm using, the links are there in the description box. Do not miss out that. So once I'm done with this, I am going to use my watercoloring. Now, if you're wondering what am I doing with the watercoloring, I'm going to use it as a splash on my card. So I just felt that with the Christmas cards, the use of watercolor looks absolutely gorgeous. So adding some water to my watercoloring, and I'm just using the red color because my card has all the greens to it. So now with my round brush, my watercolor brush, I'm going to add a splash to it. So if you are doing this before adding your sentiments, you are free to use it everywhere, but if you have already sticked your sentiment, do not forget to cover it up. Use this technique for your scrapbooking layout, for your journaling, for your pictures or for your photo albums. You will love it. I'm back with my Tim Holtz tool. I know I absolutely love this one, especially when I'm making cards. You will see me using this very often, especially with my birthday cards, anniversary cards, my slimline cards. I usually love using this. So adding the sentiment was a little tricky here because I wanted something bigger. So I've just used a nice tag card, and I'm going to use it on my Christmas card. Once the sticking work is done, my mixed media fiber, you must be saying that Sonia has gone crazy with her scrapbooking and card making, but I cannot do without mixed media fiber because trust me, this actually makes your work super easy because you don't have to do too much of work with it. Just add your glue, add your mixed media fiber, and there are so many colors available, and it's super fun. Using my cardboard pieces to give a nice 3D effect, you can use your 3D foams too, but do make sure whichever options you are using your generous amount of adhesive to stick it. Now it's time to finally stick my sentiment, and this looks amazing. Wasn't it simple? But here we are not happy with just the simple work, so I am going to add my sequences to it. Now for adding my sequences, isn't it amazing? I love it. So for adding my sequences, I'm going to just add few drops of my glue, and with my sequence picking tool, yes, check out that even on our website, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. That makes my work super easy, and I'm going to stick sequence on my card. Now adding sequences, you can always go with a contrast color or the exact same color. The look and feel is going to be very different, but they are a must for the card making. If you are making any of the card for your anniversary, handmade birthday cards, handmade card for your teachers or your mom, these are one of the most essential craft supply which you must have. So with this, my card is ready, but I just wanted to add a little border to my sentiment. So just sketching some lines here and there, and this looks complete and gorgeous. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, guys. Thank you. Take care and bye-bye.